How to cancel a Grabfood order. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Grabfood order. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Then, tap on your account from the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. Here, search for Cancel an Order. Next, select How to cancel or edit an order already made. You will have two options for orders made via the app or mobile browser. Select the one that matches your order. Next, enter your order details. Then click on the Cancel button to submit your cancellation request. The Grabfood Help Center will notify you once your order has been canceled. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.